Okay, there's the overflow, which is no longer being used. The lake is so low that there's no need for an overflow. And we get closer towards the dam. Okay, as you can see, I'm playing it safe. I'm masked up, checking to see what's going on out here. Bright sunlight in front of me instead of behind me. That makes it better. To show you some Hoover Dam pictures. If you can see that fence-like thing, that's to stop any boats from, or anybody who decides to go swimming in this lake to go past. 4 towers here. It'll suck you up otherwise. And across the way there is the other spillway. Back in the 80s when I was out here, it was working just fine. As you can tell, the water level by the stone difference in color. The white part is, they call it the bathtub effect, and that's what the water was at, which you might be able to tell was greater than the actual spillover was at one time. So water went through the spillways, and the water was on the tower, on the dam. You might be able to see the water line a little bit. Through the years, the water line keeps going down further and further. We're in the middle of a major drought again, so water is going to become to the point where hopefully all this new ways of creating energy through solar will need to slow down the speed of getting rid of this lake. They won't have to produce as much energy as what they've had to in the past. Up on the top there is some big towers, communication towers. You can see the towers for transmission. Big parking lot. Don't know where the wife disappeared to. Oh, there she is. Okay. Trying to get a good picture for all you people out there and how the water levels have changed on the overflow. See that very dark line? Water was there for quite some time. And you can see all the lighter lines going up. And that was the various water levels before. They might be visible on the brick of the highest water level. I'm not too sure if you can tell or not, but the brick line is very dark above and gets lighter down. If I had a camera with a very strong telephoto, you could actually get right into there. But I don't. I got action. So, okay. We're going to continue on. Oh, wind in my hair. Yep. It's one of those little issues that I have when it's very windy outside.
And long hair.
And long hair. Wind in the hair. There we go. Someday it'll be so long I'm going to have to put it in a ponytail. Well, we're going to show you some more of the dam, so hang on. Okay, as promised, I would tell you that we're going to check out these towers. Both towers have clocks on them.
This is Arizona.
This is the Arizona time. And that's one of the intake towers. Second intake tower's behind there. This over here is an elevator that goes all the way down.
To the tour.
For tour, it used to be for tours. Now it's for maintenance and for special tours. And we're coming up to the second set of towers. These towers are on the Nevada side, so they'll have Nevada time. And there's the pictures of the towers. There's the Spillway House. It's their event center. There's their exhibit hall. As you can see, the Hoover Dam was built from 1931 to 1935. That stuff. This is where all the security guards usually hang around. So you can see one in the car there.
The olive branch, the 13 arrows grasped by the eagle, alluding to peace and war. Power solely vested in the Congress. And the constellation of stars breaking through a cloud symbolizes the new nation taking its place among the sovereign powers.
There's where the tours would begin, but as of today they're closed. There's the elevator for tours now. Years ago the tour elevator was the one that I showed you before. Also, here's the food and gift shop. As you can see, it's also the parking structure. Big parking structure. There's how the men built this thing, hanging off the walls, drilling holes to put dynamite to blast. Now we're going to go back up the way we came down. Might have a little sunlight on this one, so I apologize if it's a little too bright, like about now. Yeah, I'm gonna just put it on me. Oh, even I'm too bright. Imagine that. I'm half and half right now. slow down a little bit. It's only 15 miles an hour through here.
That's what I'm doing.
I know. And then, I don't know if you people can see that, but there's a security officer sitting right there waiting for speeders. And they catch them out here. All these people like to go a little too fast. So they got security everywhere. There he is. Welcome to Nevada. Big sign, welcome to Nevada. We'll take your money, as they say.